Elon Musk shows Dogecoin yet again, and the price and the market is reacting to it the exact way you would think it would. We are breaking out to the resistance at the $15.7 area. We've been talking about it a lot lately. We'll check out the chart, but first, let's start with the news. Check it out. Elon Musk suggests that Twitter Blue accepts Doge as a payment method. No wonder. You probably remember that Elon Musk has 9.2%, I believe, of Twitter right now. And Elon Musk suggests that users who subscribe to Twitter Blue subscription have an option to pay in Dogecoin. That would be huge, obviously. And the main utility of Dogecoin is Elon Musk. We gotta be honest. If it wasn't for this guy, you probably, you can have another effect, but you probably remember that the Dogecoin creator sold his Dogecoin to buy a Mazda or something. Most of the price increase, let's go to the 2-day chart real quick. I just want to show you how the 2-day chart looks. This was before Elon Musk. I remember he started talking about it in January, February, huge pump. From 2 cents to no, I remember owning a lot at 5-ish cents before this pump, and I do believe he started talking about it in January, actually below 1 cent. So this was the effect for below 1 cent to nearly $1. That's 100x Elon Musk effect. And that's on a major cryptocurrency. You shouldn't even mention Shiba Inu, Flock Inu, and all the others. The Elon Musk effect is very serious. So let me show you what he said right here. We'll read the article because there's a few things you should know. Elon Musk, who recently joined Twitter's board of members, had some ideas to throw. He proposed various changes that the social media giant can implement for the Twitter Blue service. Elon Musk recently tweeted that he owns 9.2% of Twitter. Musk is an avid Twitter user and often manipulates the market with his tweets. I wouldn't use this word, manipulate. I would say something like encourage. Something that is not that would not get me sued, I would guess. Elon Musk is back with another one. Elon Musk is raising his voice now, and he's coming with a slew of suggestions for Twitter Blue. Of course, he has suggestions. What do you mean? The owner of Tesla doesn't have suggestions? The creator of Doge, the marketing team of Dogecoin doesn't have any suggestions? Everyone who signs up for Twitter Blue and pays $3 a month should get an authenticator checkmark. Price should probably be $2 a month, but pay 12 months upfront. He also said that there should be no advertisements. The power for companies to dictate legislation is considerably amplified. I like the idea. After Musk's purchase of 9.2% interest in Twitter between January and April, so this was not one go. A lot of people has been spinning it like it was one purchase. No, the price pumped after the announcement. He was buying, I guess, market orders. And then the CEO, Twitter CEO named Musk a board member. Did you forget that Elon Musk had Jack Dorsey? He knows Jack Dorsey. He always had some influence on Twitter or understood how Twitter works. So he was meant to be there. It was faith that got him there. Look at this. Dogecoin is in trouble though. On the 2-day chart, we have some good things going for us. I would say that the 23 cents is not out of reach, especially right now, not out of reach. That's something we can do. We saw huge price manipulation right here at the 20-cent area, but that was when everything crashed in the beginning of December. And I do believe we can go for it again, but VWAP is trending downwards on the 2-day chart. This was never a good sign. 4 minutes trending downwards. 1 hour. Let's check the 1 hour chart. What does the 1 hour tell us? Yeah, trending down. VWAP is trending down, but I do believe the momentum is upwards. We're above the 21 EMA. Shorting here would be foolish. Only a fool would short here. Let me show you a little bit of interesting news, like the meeting of Miami's castrated Bitcoin bull. That was trending. How would not? How would a castrated bull not be trending? Side thought: my dog is castrated. 1 week ago in Miami, we have big bulls. Not anymore. Standing 11 feet tall and glistening in the southern sun, the Miami bull statue has been called both a crime against God and pretty cool. The robotic remaining of the Wall Street landmark is 3,000 pounds. Almost immediately after it was unveiled outside the Miami Beach Convention Center on Monday, kicking off its first day of the Global Bitcoin 2022 conference, observers noted that the robotic dog with hooves and horns lacked the one crucial anatomical detail. Its creator, Furio Tedeschi, hadn't intended for the boat to be a steer. I designed some huge mechanical bowls. He also designed transformers, but I guess he skipped the Bulls part on transformers as well. Bulls on parade. I don't know why this is in the news. This is more gossip than anything else, but you should definitely not tell someone in Miami to pick his nuts off the ground, because they're just not there anymore. Not present. Bitcoin 22 Miami, mining gets its moment under the sun. Actually, mining has been a huge topic. Could it be because of Ethereum's proof of stake from proof of work? The mining industry took a plenty of space and mindshare at Bitcoin 22 in Miami. For the mining industry, Bitcoin 22 in Miami was a moment to take center stage. It was around mining. Who cares about mining now? Or do you guys have big rigs, new mining rigs and equipment? Yeah, if I wouldn't be surprised if there's a new rig that just crushes graphics cards. I remember that happening to Bitcoin 2013-ish, when the new miners came. We'll cover the market trap from cryptos waver as speculators lose interest. Open interest in Bitcoin futures market starting to decline. That's actually very, very interesting. By the way, cryptocurrency were mixed Friday, although selling pressure from earlier in the week appeared to be gaining steam. Bitcoin traded the lower after falling to break above 44K during the New York trading day. Meanwhile, it was like 4x or something in the last few weeks. Waves also pumped, so that's in the news. Shallow speculation. So yeah, the main takeaway is about Bitcoin futures. Here's the largest winners in terms of returns. Anything new is that Russia's plan to enforce the ruble. This is basically the gold standard, trying to bring that back. But here is what Gary Kasparov has to say. Bitcoin will remain as a standard. The standard. The chess grandmaster, speaker at CoinDesk Consensus Festival in June, expects the basket of coins to replace the dollar within a decade. I would not be surprised. Why would they have a gold standard when you can have a Bitcoin standard? Actually, I think Russia would have had more supporters if they tried to choose Bitcoin. But at the same time, to be honest, I do not want Bitcoin to be in a bet with a country that is so known for the lack of freedom of speech. Fear and Greed Index, there's going to be an update in 3 hours, 4 hours from now. 34, that's up from 30. Pretty cool. Last week it was neutral. Last month it was 22. Extreme Fear, this is where you buy, by the way. It's not what you think. Normally, extreme fear is good. Don't listen to what other people are saying. Extreme fear is good because this is the time where you can buy at a discount. This is the time where you buy Dogecoin at, even though, by the way, I gotta be honest, I was thinking that Doge was gonna dip right here, but I guess was bought in at 11 cents. But Solana as well. You could have got in some Solana USDT for like, what was the bottom? It's 114 bucks right now. The bottom was at 76 bucks. You would be up 50-60% if you just bought the dip. You had a few choices. Could have bought it 40, 80, 70 bucks. And if you held for 2 months, you would have made pretty much 2x at the top, $140. Pretty much 2x, as you can see on the chart. Right now, Solana, by the way, has a few very signals. 21 EMA is one of them. And there's some drama around Solana today, because so that's pretty much why. But that's all I gotta say for Dogecoin. If you appreciate it, if you stayed so long, man, I'm grateful. Who watches a 10-minute video nowadays? Most people want to see a 15-second TikTok. I'm here for you, here to deliver the news. I'm really, really grateful that you stayed so far. This video is no financial advice. Love you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 50k subscribers. Want to see you in one of the next videos.